ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಇದು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನರ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಟುಮಾರೋಸ್ ಪಾಡ್ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಾಬಮ್ ತೇಯಿ. Prisma Rome is one of them. I think it's Rome's one of the prestigious films. It's the Critics' Choice Awards. It's India's only certified critic body, and they have critics from all over India, not just Bollywood.
और है अवार्ड्स आपके झोले पे?
Or Kelvin Film Festival, all that, because I had already gone to Sundance and then Cannes, and then I exhausted my budget to half it. I grew up reading it and I was like, someday
अरे
जाऊंगी.
बॉलीवुड का बड़ा बड़ा स्टार्स को कान जाने नहीं मिला है.
Why?
Do you quote your money or do the producers say कि आपको तो इतना ही मिलेगा and then you say कि हाँ या ना? What is the scene?
I do think I'm worth a certain amount, which I haven't got till now yet.
We do look a certain way. We have Mongoloid Oriental feature. Do you think we have any chance to make it like in the mainstream stuff like Shahrukh Khan types?
There are a lot of work that nobody has seen also. Just me, I've been in the background and like, no, you can't even see me. Parlor lady roles that was offered, along with so many receptionists, and I mean off late air hostess ek do aa rahe hain. Everyone should know that when a casting guy tells you ye bahut important role hai, take up with a huge pinch of salt that it is not a very important role.
ये बहुत बोरिंग जवाब हुआ.
That's why I'm doing this podcast.
Hi Sunka, how are you?
Hi, I'm good.
How are you feeling right now?
A little nervous, but I'm good. I'm fine.
Nervous?
A little bit.
Okay, I'm sorry about that.
No, it's fine.
All right, so Sunka, I have known you by watching you on screen, Akhone. You were there as one of the major characters. How did you land up there in Akhone?
Akune happened by chance.
बंद करो अपना ये मुझको कैसे पता चला? अरे मैं तो मर जाऊंगी. अरे मार दिया. बंद कर. अरे पकड़ो इनको, पकड़ो. इधर नीचे अंदर जो मैं देखती हूँ तो.
Like I've said many times before, my sister saw the Facebook casting call, and then she asked me to try for it, and she was really behind my back for like 2 days to like send pictures, and then I sent my pictures, got the audition script, sent the audition. Then 2 months later, I had gone to Delhi for like personal work, and when I landed in Delhi is when I got the call that I got shortlisted. And
So there was, when I hear audition, it sounds to me like there's a competition kind of. Was it like that? Like you had a one slot and there are too many applicants?
yes, every audition is that.
Okay, it's a competition.
Yes, it is a competition. It's your one chance to see whether you can get the role or not.
So was that your first movie?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Huh.
Do you mind if I ask you what's your formal education background as such?
Oh, no, not at all. I studied architecture from Bangalore, MS Ramaya. And
MS Ramaya.
yes, I studied architecture, but obviously not pursuing it. And also because I did not finish my graduation also.
Okay.
There are a lot of things that played into that decision. Mainly being that 9th semester में हम लोग को internship करना पड़ता है the whole semester, and then after that internship is when I realized like I do not want to do this.
After 9 semesters.
Yes.
Yeah, after spending 4.5 years.
So I proudly say I studied architecture, which I did.
Yeah, of
Did
course.
studied.
Nice.
It's just that I don't have that final degree, but I have all the knowledge, and now ulta it helps me right now.
Like how?
Especially if I have to like with my house also, how I can help my mom and dad with a little bit of
Okay.
like
Yeah,
building
that way.
solutions and things like that, and at least basic knowledge I have, and then if I have to do up my room, I can do it in the budget that I want.
That's crazy. Then architecture is a technical stuff,
Yes.
and you are in the the line of artistry. like performing arts. How did that shift happen?
I think I think I was always a performer because school mein I used to win every dance competition.
Okay.
And then I was a sportsman also. So I think for me, maybe I always liked being in spotlight, but matlab, doing something on spotlight,
Uh-huh.
and then not just being in the spotlight. So I think I was always a performer. Then acting, it started with in Bangalore. There was a theatre group that my friend had started. Oh God, it's been so long. I forgot the name also of the. Forgot the name of the production house. Anyway, so yeah, started with there. Did a few plays with them, and all the plays were mainly situational comedies. So we had a lot of improv. There was no set script.
Comedy.
Yes, it was all situational comedy and it was all improv. So that was fun. That was the first time I realized that it's fun. Like, because when I would at my jokes, the audience would laugh. They're on cue. So that made me enjoy the process even more.
I did see you cracking some funny liners, some sketches, your Instagram or YouTube. You do that, right? You do have certain thing about comedy.
Yes, I think it's my biggest coping mechanism. That's
Coping
why,
mechanism.
yes.
What would that mean?
It's when you. I think if you stop seeing humor in the things that happen in life,
Uh-huh.
you'll end up being very depressed. And
okay.
you go through a lot of how do I say? You take yourself so seriously and take everything that's happening to you so personally and so seriously, na. And that mindset has never solved anything for anyone. At least in my case,
Okay.
it has never solved things for me. It is when I took a step back and then I saw it from a larger perspective.
Meta.
And with
बोलते
a
हैं.
little
Meta
and with
perspective.
like a little bit of humor, like you're not the only one in the world going through this. Every other person is going through this.
yeah.
So don't take it so seriously. Instead, get out of it. Figure out what you can do to like get ahead from there. I think that's where.
You brought out some brilliant philosophy. Seriously. मैं भी एक चीज बोलता हूँ कभी कभी अगर आप अपना जिंदगी को बहुत सीरियसली लोगे तो जिंदगी आपका सीरियसली ले लेगा.
ले लेगा. And it's like, and then so you'll never end that cycle. Na?
That's correct.
Then
That's correct.
cycle will keep going on and on. That'll never get over. And then what's the point? Na? In the end, you're the one losing out, nobody else.
Correct. So, see, when I'm talking with you, see, I have been seeing you only, other side of the screen. And then I saw the movie Akhoni very, with क्या बोलते हैं वो बहुत observant eye से देखा था because my noticed as such as a character or the storyline for the first time I saw in a mainstream movie. So मैं बहुत दिल से देखा उसको. Right now when I'm hearing you, you have a certain very heavy, voice and थोड़ा South Indian English accent भी मुझे sound कर रहा है. But Akhoni में you sounded so meek. मैं ऐसा नहीं करूँगी. Like what was that?
झूठ बोल रहे हो, ऊपर से आंटी से माफी भी नहीं मांग रहे तुम.
वो शादी है इसलिए थोड़ा सा बना दिया था.
That's just, my voice was dubbed.
Why would anyone? You have such a formidable voice. Dubbing क्यों हुआ?
I think a lot of like a very circumstantial thing. I don't know what exactly. I never really got to ask my director. मतलब क्यों exactly हुआ है. But I guess at the time he did mention it himself, ना खुद से mention किया था कि I'm sorry I had to dub you बोल के, But
Permission नहीं मांगा और मतलब information दे दिया dub हो गया.
Information दे दिया मतलब I had to बोल के. But I was like, okay, it's fine because एक तो I didn't have many dialogues also. But also I was not in Bombay and then Corona was happening and the film released during the Corona times. So I know what rush they were going through to get the film out. So it's fine, it's okay.
Well, you don't mind it, right?
I don't mind. It's
But why this South Indian accent?
Oh, that's because I grew up in South India. My father served in the Indian Forest Service for almost 30 years of his life.
30 years.
Yes.
In a single state.
Yes, single state. So Karnataka was his Kedar.
Karnataka, okay.
So when I was 2 years old is when he got the final posting and he was sent to Kundapur for one of his first posting. And that's where, we shifted and then we grew up there.
So
Me and my
okay,
siblings.
so all your classmates were Kannada.
Yes, correct.
So you speak Kannada really well.
Yes,
Perhaps.
very well, very well. Because we grew up in boarding also.
Uh-huh.
So boarding school mein are the ayahs who used to look after us, the aunties we used to call them. So sad they were not at all aunties though. So we'd call them aunties. So we had to speak. They were not all of them were like formally educated also. So to converse daily, had to speak in Kannada, and then at home.
It is called Kannada or Kannada?
Kannada.
Kannada. Okay.
Kannada.
Okay.
And then at home also with my dad's a driver and cook and Mali and all of that, we had to speak in Kannada. So
I might have Kannada audience as well. Say
Why
something
not?
to them. So say something in Kannada to them. Anything. Maybe.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇದು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನರ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಟುಮಾರೋಸ್ ಪಾಡ್ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಾಬಂತೆ
Thank you very much. Okay. So Akhone movie, as I've just said that the first time I'm seeing a noticed character, entire movie was a notice. Akhone is a noticed dish. Is it dish or chutney?
It's the peha
Peha for us.
fermented
Peha for us is Trumbai in for Meghalaya,
correct
and it's Akhone in Nagaland,
and apatani we call it peruyan.
Peruyan, and Manipur is called Iromba.
No, iromba is made with the fish, no?
Perhaps I wouldn't know that. Okay.
It's
Disclaimer:
made
I don't know.
Huh.
Yeah.
I forgot what it's called in this thing now.
So the director was a noticed guy as well, Nicholas Kharkonger, Khasi man.
Yes.
I've seen another of his movies, Mantra. It looked to me, that movie looked to me like a proper Bollywood movie because there was Rajat Kapoor, a very senior respected actor, and the actress was Kalki Kochlin.
Kekla. Kalki
What
Kekla.
Kekla? Kalki Kokla.
Kekla.
Spelling?
I found this through her Instagram. She herself said it's not Kechla or Kokla or
Koklin.
Koklin.
It's written Koklin.
Yeah, but it's pronounced as Kekla.
Okay. So Nicholas Kharkonger, the movie Mantra, I've read about it. See, I'm being from Northeast. I like just being, what do you say, that थोड़ा सा emotional होता है notice वाला चीज़ को देख के. तो when I heard that name, the director's name is Nicholas Kharkonger, क्योंकि मैं मंत्रा में TV पे देखा था. It was broadcasted, aired in some channel. तो I just Wikipedia it. पता चला कि that movie was crowd funded.
Yes.
मतलब ऐसा ये क्या concept है crowd funding movies का? मतलब there was no producer or label per se.
Because first thing, when you first write a film, obviously you need to get a producer on board who can bring in the money, who can get you a distribution house, who can get you all of the things. But since it was Nicholas's first film, I'm guessing that he had to do it independent because maybe nobody believed in his script. I don't know.
Did you watch the movie, by the way?
Yes, I watched the film.
It's a deep movie. It was about
It's very nice.
the movie was about the effect on a family on global economy that has happened to us in 1991, right?
So the crash that happens and how it affects the family
Yes,
dynamics and things
yes,
like that,
yes.
which I think is very interesting.
That's a very interesting topic. Like who makes movie like that? Like family, husband wife को रिश्ता में problem हो रहा है, ये problem हो रहा है, just because a policy change.
Correct.
मतलब the door open for what was that? Global economy. मतलब खोल लिया इंडिया अपना दरवाजा. Okay, तो Akhone जो movie था, then who produced? Was it crowdfunded as well?
No, Akhuni was produced by Saregama. Saregama has a branch called Udli Films.
Okay.
So it was produced by Saregama.
अभी lately दिख नहीं रहा उनका movie निकोलस खारकोंगर सर का like.
I think Abhi I think he just finished one web series with Prime.
Okay.
Prime के साथ काम करेंगे. I think it's almost done, that web series. अभी तक that's the only project I know of him that's coming next.
Yours is Akhone as a mainstream movie, and there was the movie for which you got a very prestigious award, Nocturnal Burger. What does it even mean, Nocturnal Burger?
So it's the title. It's related to the storyline, the plot of the short film. It is the film is based on one night in a police station when my character Simi brings in a small girl, and she accuses the man that the kid was with for like he has sexually harassed the child.
Okay.
So that's the plot of the story. So
it's
and
nocturnal because of one night.
one night, and also
Burger.
the guy he lures in the kid, matlab lalchi dilata hai with a burger.
Oh ho.
तो रात को बर्गर खाने जाएंगे ऐसे.
Oh ho. Now I find the depth. Nocturnal burger. Nocturnal sounds predatory,
Correct. Yes.
and it's a predatory burger.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Yes.
And you won an award for that. If 1 second, Prisma Rome International Award, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Like
So,
how like can you just कैसा हुआ क्या हुआ? It's an international award.
हाँ.
Mind you, it's an international award, not it's beyond India. कैसा हुआ ये?
This see first so I had no idea कि कौन सा film festivals में they've sent it ना and
They
because,
means who?
the producers and the director
Okay.
Rima and the producer. Our producers for this film was an US India collaboration.
Okay.
So our producers were Americans. So they have sent the film like हर जगह जो भी short films festival है anything that's decorated, not like that something that has a standing. So I guess Prisma Rome is one of them. I think it's Rome's one of the prestigious films. So वो film festival का concept is such that it's a monthly film festival. So every month they hold this festival where they screen different films.
Okay.
And the month after that, like obviously for I had first one for the month of March. So that month, and then at the end of the year, they again had the award ceremony, and they picked out
वो
the
normally annual होता है awards ceremony तो
Correct.
they also have annual लेकिन monthly उनका
monthly होता है. So every month there is a winner in different categories.
Uh-huh.
So in the yearly one, obviously they shortlist again from
Okay.
that from the winners, and then yearly may also they announce it and everything there. So yeah, yearly भी I was the
तो that means मतलब 12 winners होगा
हाँ
और 12 में से भी you won.
yeah.
Oh my god, congratulations.
Thank
you
you.
made us proud. You made India proud with that.
Thank you.
And with that आपका interviews काफी news channels में हुआ था. Some big journalists and all. How was the feeling like? मतलब did you feel like star-like or something?
It was it's still very surreal for me, a lot of the moments that hua tha, because one, I did not expect the film to have such a huge impact.
लेकिन वो
And-
movie देखा ही नहीं. Like where is?
That it's not available right now online, but it will come soon. I'm sure the producers are looking for a buyer who will put it up on OTT.
Buyer बोले तो क्या मतलब होता है?
I mean, anything on any of the OTT platforms.
Oh.
So आजकल they've started short films also डालना.
हिंदी में movie है ना?
Yes, हिंदी फिल्म है.
हाँ तो like continue. आपको जब award मिला, अब by the way award ceremony कहाँ हुआ था?
The Prisma one तो वहाँ पे ही हुआ था. I was invited, but I couldn't go because financially I was not.
रोम पे हुआ था.
Rome.
Oh man,
Yeah.
जाना चाहिए था.
I wish, but I didn't have financially. I was not all that because I had already gone to Sundance and then Cannes and then I exhausted my budget वहाँ पे तो.
1 second. कान में गया हो?
हाँ, Cannes में I went in 2023.
For what?
Yeah. Oh, it was a program by the Union Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. They had this Northeast Film Fraternity team
Oh.
that is going to go to Cannes every year.
Oh my
to-
God.
So from each state, they had two representatives who could go, and then we went and visited and met the people there, and it's a good experience, very nice experience.
Wait, like कान तो it's like big deal.
Exactly. Yeah, it's a huge deal for me. It's something that I grew up reading in, and I was like, someday मैं
अरे
जाऊंगी.
बॉलीवुड का बड़ा स्टार्स को कान जाने नहीं मिला है.
Why?
हाँ.
But it was very nice. That was fun.
Okay, so रोम में हुआ था, you didn't go.
Rome में हुआ था. I
But
didn't go.
I've seen you
go.
picking the award somewhere.
That was in Bombay में जो हुआ था last year, 2024. It was the Critics' Choice Awards. It's India's only certified critic body, and they have critics from all over India, not just Bollywood. This thing, and I think it's one of the first few award shows, not show, but an award segment where they have films from all over India. So it's not just based Hindi, say, and they
ये
have
अलग
short
है
films,
उस-
web
ये-
series. ये अलग है, ये नया से start हुआ है. It's been
नहीं
a
नहीं
few
अलग
years.
अवार्ड अलग है.
Award अलग है. हाँ,
तो
जो बॉम्बे में जो मिला था.
तो यू अभी दो अवार्ड सुनाई दे रहा. मतलब you won in इंटरनेशनल प्रिज्मा रोम अवार्ड एंड देन क्रिटिक्स चॉइस अवार्ड
Yes.
जो एक एज यू सेड ऑथराइज्ड क्रिटिक एक लोटा
body,
उसमें भी मतलब whatever award you won, let's say not the massy popular kind, लेकिन मीनिंगफुल क्या मीनिंगफुल गलत वर्ड होगा, क्या बोले उसको,
Yeah.
क्या बोलेंगे उसको, रिस्पेक्टेबल हाईली रिगार्डेड कोवेटेड अवार्ड्स.
maybe could be, I don't know.
क्योंकि ये तो फिल्म फेयर या सब पॉपुलर अवार्ड्स तो नहीं है ना, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग,
It's
एंड neither your movies belong to that mainstream movies category.
correct. And plus short film भी है तो
Short film भी
even
है.
more not related.
तो दो तो और है अवार्ड्स आपके झोले पे?
और केल्विन फिल्म फेस्टिवल शिलोंग में जो हुआ था,
केल्विन
केल्विन फिल्म फेस्टिवल, तो
Okay.
उसमें दैट ईयर आल्सो आई वन 2024 में ना, नहीं तो 23 एंड में हुआ था.
इतना जब अवार्ड लिए हो, आई मीन व्हाई आर यू नॉट
पॉपुलर.
मतलब व्हाई आर यू नॉट प्रमोटिंग योरसेल्फ?
प्रमोटिंग माई सेल्फ मतलब कैसे और कैसे करूँ
नहीं,
प्रमोट?
एक्टर का मतलब विजिबिलिटी तो चाहिए ना.
हाँ वो तो है. That's why I'm doing this podcast.
थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर दैट. अच्छा, तो मेरा भी प्रमोशन हो जाएगा इसमें. ठीक है. आप अभी ये बोले कि आप कान गया, सनडांस,
Sundance.
वो कहाँ होता है?
Sundance जो यूटा में होता है. It's one of the biggest. Started as an indie film festival का one of the biggest
ये
shareholders.
इंडी का कॉन्सेप्ट मुझे नहीं समझ में आता है. व्हाट इज इट?
Independent. It's not tied to a major production house, and
अच्छा.
it is done by much smaller production houses or funded by different countries. आजकल अलग countries have also started funding films from different countries.
तो
as well.
ये जो हम लोग सुनते हैं इंडी म्यूजिक, वो सेम मीनिंग है.
हाँ, more or less जो indie music is in mainstream films और ये सब में नहीं आता है, but it still has its own segment and it's not uppity beats and groovy. ये सब में अलग-अलग.
स्पेलिंग जो है INDIE है.
Short में I think indie हाँ is
हाँ, तो मुझे लगा था वो
independent. हाँ.
अच्छा, इंडिपेंडेंट है. ओके. तो जैसा आप ये अवार्ड शो में जाके, सॉरी नॉट अवार्ड सेरेमनीज, क्या सही बोल रहा हूँ? आई डोंट नो हाउ टू
नहीं, हाँ.
टेक्निकली कैसा बोलूँगा. वहाँ जाके यू सेड कि यू एग्जॉस्टेड योर मनी. हमें तो यही लगता है कि जो भी एक्टर है दे आर यू नो मनी गाइस.
Yeah, everyone thinks that. Everyone thinks अभी ये एक्टर बन गई है, 2-3 अवार्ड्स मिला है तो नाउ शी इज मालामाल.
ऐसा ही तो लाइक
बट नहीं है सच्चाई कि शॉर्ट फिल्म में कहाँ किसी को पैसा मिलता है.
तो करते क्यों है? लाइक व्हाई आर यू इन्वेस्टिंग सो मच ऑफ योर टाइम, एंड अगर पैसा ज़्यादा नहीं मिलता है तो
Because
हाउ डू यू सस्टेन योरसेल्फ?
how do I sustain myself?
I mean, in general, not you as such.
Oh, अच्छा.
In general, how do people like you sustain themselves? अगर पैसा नहीं आता है ढंग से तो.
Start something, do like side by jobs, like, and honestly अभी we are in an economy जहाँ में एक stable job से तो नहीं होगा. मतलब unless you are a highly paid bureaucrat, उसमें भी थोड़ा problem होगा. But in the world that we're living in, especially for the freelancers, one job से नहीं होता है. We need to have at least 2 or 3.
I wouldn't call you freelancer. You are a professional actor, having won these awards, and you know. फिर भी मेरा सवाल थोड़ा इस पे रहेगा अभी भी. Like, do you quote your money or do the producers say कि आपको तो इतना ही मिलेगा, and then you say कि हाँ या ना? What is the scene?
Both the ways. Sometimes it usually comes like with ads and all, वो लोग offer करते हैं. Like per day सिर्फ 15,000 दे सकते हैं, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं दे सकते. That's the thing ना. So then it's up to you कि लेना है कि नहीं ना. It's up to the actor. But then most of the time it's always like with the bigger projects, they always ask, tell us your quote. So now it's up to the actor to put up a price on yourself, on your talent, on your self-esteem, and tell them कि please
On your
मुझे इतना दे दो.
self-esteem.
हाँ, मुझे इतना दे दो, and उस पे भी bargain करेंगे. तो ऐसा होता है. That's how it usually works.
तो ये risky negotiation हुआ. If you quote too much, you might be slashed out.
Up to you how you play the game also. I know people who have overquoted also and they still got it because उन लोगों का negotiation game बढ़िया है.
तो like how would you rate your skill? मतलब कैसा करेंगे कि मेरा skill level इतना है तो I deserve this much of money, or the body of work or the experience counts, like, or your face counts. By face I mean you as a brand name counts. Like क्या होता है?
All of these factors matter. Now, there was also a point, they would also see तेरा social media में following कितना है. That was also at one point, certain point तक था, वो भी था एक criteria. But now I think that's थोड़ा हट गया है because people have realized, you know, just because followers, it doesn't mean that you need to have the talent to back a film. But yeah, worth तो I तो think I'm worth a certain amount which I haven't got till now yet. But they've always negotiated with me, and I've always been like fairly happy with the money that I've got so far.
तो like we as lay persons watching TVs. जैसा अभी हमारा स्टेट से चुमदारंग, I see her on my mobile phone scrolling all the time. You know, paparazzis are always behind her and all. And Big Boss में she was the top leading lady. तो उसका वोट तो डेफिनेटली अभी बड़ा होगा ना, like because I have seen her in both the Bollywood movies, Gangubai Kathiawadi and Badai Do. तो गंगूबाई काठियावाड़ी में तो she hardly spoke a line. And so I'm just asking if you're okay to answer that. So would I assume कि उसको गंगूबाई काठियावाड़ी में कम पैसा मिला है, बधाई दो में ज़्यादा मिला है, और अभी जो उसका स्टेचर बढ़ रहा है, वोट बढ़ रहा है, that followers think whatever you were saying, तो अभी उसको ज़्यादा पैसा मिलेगा?
अभी I don't think, especially in her case, मुझे नहीं लगता it's about the followers. It's about her popularity with the common man. I think being in the reality show, a lot of people I think connected with her because they were so used to seeing her every day now on TV. So now if she can obviously headline a film, क्योंकि उसके पास audience तो already है.
Talented भी है.
Talented भी है.
Very
good looking
talented.
also.
Very good looking.
And very like
Very
right now, very well known right now.
Very in thing.
Correct. So why not? I hope she gets also. It'll be better for fellow actors also. क्योंकि आगे जाके people will be more producers will be open to like putting money into films that have actors from different backgrounds also.
Okay, yeah. So different background बोले तो let's discuss this. We North Eastern people, we look a certain way. And I mean, of course, Chumdarang has been very vocal about it. So we do look a certain way. We have Mongoloid Oriental feature. Do you think we have any chance to make it like in the mainstream stuff, like Shahrukh Khan types?
I mean, I'm sure. Why not? Because if there is anyone from like with the Oriental features, जो already बन चुका है successful in the film, is like Danny Densongpa. Sarto has made a legacy.
Yeah.
But you can see he was one of them. Okay. But Abhi,
Initially, he did look typically like one of us, but lately, वो camouflage हो गया क्या? I don't know. He looked like regular featured Indian.
Okay, mainland Indian.
हाँ, वो पठान का रोल करता था, तो he looked like a पठान to me.
फिर तुझे नाक रगड़ने के लिए हमारे सामने झुकना पड़ेगा।
एक पहाड़ का नाम है शेर खान, और पहाड़ न किसी के सामने चलकर जाते हैं, न किसी के सामने झुकते हैं।
But then also like even the Afghanis also, they also have certain Oriental features ना, क्योंकि वो लोग का भी lineage में.
मैं पठान तो मैं ऐसे example बोला. Otherwise भी उस like his characters he played, I don't know कुछ नाम वही राका सिंह type होने से, तो he looked like a Singh.
Yeah, because he pulled off the role with convincing ability, na. So in the end, there's only to a certain point. I feel like any audience, there's only to a certain point वो लोग visually ये होते हैं. After a point, it's up to the actor to engage the audience.
Yeah, so we can imagine the same thing about you. मुझे ये थोड़ा जानना है, like, are you okay playing a role where your skills, your talent, वो ज़्यादा project नहीं होता है? Just like I've seen some actors just being in the background. So I'm asking, this thing is a personal question to you. आप करोगे ऐसा? Now you would want to show your acting prowess only, or have you ever been approached that way?
Of course, I've also done background acting. I think Akhuni also mainly I did a lot of background acting on it.
Oh, you were
I was
representing.
there in like scenes and everything, but like dialogue तो मेरे को तो दो ही मिला है. But then yeah, I know, I understand. But doing the background, why not? I mean, I'm sure I did it before. There are a lot of work that nobody has seen also. Just I've been in the background and like no, you can't even see me, but I'm there.
You get paid for that as well.
Of course,
Okay.
you come on set, you get paid.
So you are okay now as well with having these awards under your belt.
Yes, yeah. I mean, it depends on the role also, no? There are so many roles, like I don't mind having a role which like where I'm barely speaking anything, like there is weightage to the character. Still the presence is there everywhere, ऐसा types.
No, I'm asking you this question. इसके पीछे पड़ा हूँ ये question को लेके, because I've heard somewhere कि you were offered a role. I did hear somewhere, okay, मेरा भी अपना sources है. I do research कि I think it was Ratna Pathak or Supriya Pathak, some
Okay,
big
okay.
heavyweight actor, and you were said that you have to be. I mean, you'll be acting beside them, and you were excited, but then it turned out that you were just cutting someone's hair in a salon, and these actors, established actors, were performing, and you were doing nothing, and so you forgo.
Yeah, वो सब में obviously that is the क्या
Did I hear it right, by the way? जिससे मैं सुना था.
Yeah, correct. It's
Okay.
one of the many other parlor lady roles that was offered, along with so many receptionists. And I mean, off late air hostess एक दो आ रहे हैं, but उससे पहले it was a lot of receptionists, a lot of parlor people. ऐसा वाला बहुत सारे आते थे. But yeah, it was एक तो, I mean, everyone should know that when a casting guy tells you ये बहुत important role है, take up with a huge pinch of salt that it is not a very important role एक तो. And then वही this the audition में it was approached that way कि important role है, scene बहुत important है, उसमें आप है और मैम दोनों बात कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे से ऐसे ऐसे करके. I was like ठीक है, okay, I'll do the audition, आप script भेज दीजिए ना. तो भेजा है script and I saw there was like absolutely no lines to my character and she was just like cutting. And then at that point, when this thing was offered, like when I got the call for this audition, at that point there were so many other audition calls that had happened for similar professions, which absolutely is not adding to the scene, not adding to the film, not adding to the plot, not adding to my career also.
Can I say that we are typecast that? I mean,
Sorry.
because we look a certain way.
Yeah. And it's also, I think, if you look at it in a moral perspective also, see, we are already stereotyped, and especially women with oriental features are even more so stereotyped and even more so prejudiced in mainland India. It doesn't matter which gender they are from. No. So then it's just something personal of like, I don't want to take that stereotype even more आगे, even more forward.
Stereotyping को मैं agree करता हूँ, but when you are using the word morality, मेरा सोचना ये है, I might not agree with you on this. You are an actor, so actor अगर एक serial killer का role करेगा, murderer का role करेगा, for that matter even आपका जो Nocturnal Burger में एक sexually किसी को harass करता है उसका role करेगा, तो वो भी गलत है. तो अगर actor role का character को बोल के बोलेगा this is morally wrong in social perspective, तो फिर acting कैसा होगा?
See, now, वो तभी तो दो अलग situations हो गया. When you're playing a murderer, and even if you watch Nocturnal Burger, the guy who's playing the accused, ना उसका भी सिर्फ एक दो ही scenes है. But you remember the guy because he's important in the storyline. He's important in the plot line.
Okay.
Storyline आगे नहीं जाएगी without this character.
Okay.
That is there.
Okay.
But then, if you're going to give me a spa attendant or a parlor attendant or a receptionist, I need to have something more than like, good morning, sir, good afternoon, sir.
It's not justifying your talent.
For me, no, it's not like justifying my talent. For me, it's like it's another thing to affirm to their stereotypes, not mine. It's like another thing that I'm affirming. Like, and also in the larger picture, when you see it, why did Akuni did better than all of us expected is because for the first time, a lot of people got seen on screen.
Yeah.
Because so many people have gone through that experience of friends coming over, you're cooking, and then your friend is going back, and then in the side, there is always something or the other happening. It was just a coming-of-age film. But a lot of people, really related to that. But when was the last time you saw a role which was played by an oriental person and which actually made a lot of people relate to it also? Like, वो नहीं हुआ था पहले, before Akuni, na?
Yes,
Again,
exactly.
With Danny Sir, unless it's him. And he also did not play typical Northeastern characters. He barely played Northeastern characters.
Correct.
So then that's also another interesting dynamic of his his racial background did not matter.
Did not matter.
Right. His background did not matter. He pulled off every character with so much conviction that we all believed him to be whichever background he was supposed to be playing. And there is a film, I think, where he and Amitabh Bachchan are brothers also, which in reality it is not possible. Exactly. But you believed it when you watched the film because the dynamic between them is of brothers.
Yeah.
So that's...
Suppose मैं होता, तो अगर मैं बाल काटने का रोल होता, if I'm getting paid, मैं ले लूँगा, मेरा bills बढ़ जाएगा ना.
It's again, it's also sustenance, na? Why question somebody else's source of income?
Yeah.
sustenance तो है ना, दुनिया तो चलता है. But for me, it was my own personal thing, and I am lucky enough to be privileged to like let go of that small thing. I am that. बहुत सारे people are not.
You said
So
that
good for them.
your dad was at IFS.
Correct. Yeah, in the
Privileged.
forest department. Yeah, of course I'm privileged.
अच्छा, you were taking on the shoulder. Very good. Yeah, मुझे लगा आप गाली दोगे मुझे. ऐसा क्यों?
नहीं. अरे, it's important, and I know I'm privileged. Hey.
Nice. अभी तो नोटिस्ड एक्टर्स के लिए रोल लिखा जा रहा है. बधाई दो मैं चुमदारंग played a notice character, अरुणाचली girl character. भेड़िया was completely based in the notice regime. So पालिन कावाक, a very good actor, वो तो जोमिन का रोल प्ले किया. So I think things are happening for us.
Of course, recently this year starting May we had Patalok season 2, which was based in Nagaland.
I've seen-
and had like all the actors were from Nagaland, and which obviously is doing very well because it's a very good show.
Meren Lim Song,
Yes, Marin's there in it.
who was in Akone,
Akone as
was
well.
there. I think was there anybody else from Akone who was in Patalok season 2?
No, only Marin was in it.
Merenla and in Akone there was one famous actor, already famous established actor.
Oh, Lin
Lynn Ashram. Yeah.
Yes.
She has done
Yes,
movies previously. Like I've watched her in Rangoon.
Yes, and she's also, before being an actor also, she's had a fantastic modeling career.
I have seen her in Supermodel of the Year or something like that.
Kingfisher,
Calendar Girl.
हाँ.
मैं हूँ प्रोफेशन लेकिन ये सब कंज्यूम करता हूँ. किंगफिशर कैलेंडर मॉडल
क्या जाता है उसमें?
क्या जाता है भाई ना. ऑफिस से घर आएगा तो फिर टीवी तो ऑन रहता है.
रियलिटी शो है.
तो लिन आश्रम को मैंने व्हाट वाज दैट मूवी मैरी कॉम में देखा था. एंड अखोनी नॉट अखोनी उससे पहले जो था रंगून में देखा था. एंड शी वाज इन अखोनी. आई थिंक शी वाज द ओनली फेमस फेस इन अखोनी और वाज देयर एनीबॉडी एल्स एज वेल?
No, I think she was the one who was the most well known and popular.
The main guy in Akone, I think he's also somehow, I won't say somehow, he's famous.
Tenzin Dala. Yes.
Yeah, no, he's famous as well because lately I've seen his ad on YouTube.
All right. Enough crying now. Yeah, I want a party.
So some ad is running on YouTube or something where, which I forgot, some big brand is.
Okay.
कुछ तो है.
Okay.
So things are happening for us.
Yes, I think so. हो रहा है. People are being more open to the casting process, being more open to the roles and everything like that. I mean, हो जाएगा धीरे धीरे.
You don't have a formal degree in acting, right? Like I know Palin Kavak to be an NSD graduate, NSD National School of Drama, right? Graduate, and there's another actor, Kendi Jiddo. I've watched her movie where she played a Japanese Indian character. Malayali movie, Android Kunjapam. She's apparently also an NSD graduate.
Okay.
Do you think these graduates have better chance over people like you?
I don't know. Maybe because they'll have more connections because they grew up in a film school with future directors, writers, actors, everything. Maybe with connection and with the alumni also, right? Maybe connection-wise, it helps a lot. But other than that, I don't see much this thing. Obviously, technically also, there'll be more sound. But which is something that I'm learning on the job as I go.
Nocturnal Burger, Akone, and what else? Is there any other movie that you have done or short films?
No, films, nahi. Abhi tak itna hi. I've done short films. I've done one Arunachali short film called Stranded.
Stranded.
Yeah, it was
Yeah,
based on
I've seen the poster
COVID.
there. You were the main face in the poster.
Correct, yes. It's based on the COVID time and how the government officials came together to help two kids who were mute from Meghalaya to Arunachal.
Where is it being broadcast?
It's on YouTube.
YouTube.
It's on
Okay.
YouTube. Stranded is on YouTube.
You got any award for that? Because it seems like आपको award
नहीं उसको तो नहीं, not really.
आगे कुछ project अभी कुछ है?
Hey, last year I finished shooting for a small role in a web series,
Web series.
and we are hoping it will come out next year. Or
Are you allowed to divulge any information?
No.
Not at all.
Yeah, I think
बिल्कुल
a lot
नहीं.
of people, public, a lot of them know also. मतलब क्योंकि news fail गया.
हाँ,
But
मुझे नहीं पता है. मत बताइए आगे.
I don't. Yeah, I can't really.
And तो इस पे मेरा और सवाल है. The terms and conditions guidelines बहुत strict रहता है it seems, right? Mostly.
Yes, mostly.
अगर सब
So it's up to you ना. तुम sign contract sign किया है तो hold it.
तो अगर suppose आपने आज बता दिया मेरा audience को what's coming up, then you have violated the contract. Now तो legally आप soup में पड़ जाओगे. तो क्या होगा? Like how will they sue you, or what action will the production house take against you अगर ऐसा होता है तो? क्योंकि मूवी तो शूट हो गया.
वही.
तो अब क्या कर सकता है? वो तो दिखाना ही है. तो यू आर लूजिंग नथिंग. तो क्या पेमेंट नहीं होगा, वही होगा. तो क्या हो सकता है?
मे बी एडवाइस तो ऐसा ही होगा कि पेमेंट क्लियर होने तक कुछ मत बोलो.
अच्छा
पेमेंट क्लियर होने तो.
अच्छा, बेसिकली पेमेंट भी अभी हेल्ड अप है.
पता नहीं. I don't know. No, mine.
You got your money?
I got my money. Clarity.
Okay. तो you don't know कि repercussion है, consequence क्या है? You don't know. Not repercussion, consequence क्या है? You don't
नहीं,
know.
I don't know. And I don't want to know. And I'm happy. Like, तुम लोग देख लो.
अच्छा, with this OTT thing coming up, indie movie आजकल बहुत बन रहा है. तो mainstream Bollywood so called स्टार पावर वाला धीरे धीरे ऑडियंस उसका इधर शिफ्ट हो रहा है इंटेलिजेंट मूवीज में. हाउ डू यू सी इट? व्हाट्स योर कमेंट ऑन दैट?
I think audience is also shifting towards indie film sector because our mainstream films are not doing really that well, and it's nothing. It's not engaging also.
Is there anything you have an advice or you want to make a discussion about from your industry that we should explore? Because that, I mean, you can have my opinion as well, as because I'm a consumer of movies and films, so you get some perspective. How do we look at things or whatever? Because we have to
tell your opinion.
Yeah, that's what I said. This mainstream Bollywood movies, the audience getting मतलब कम हो रहा है क्योंकि OTT में क्वालिटी मूवीज आ रहा है. When I say quality, I really mean आइडियाज़ जो होता है वो एक टिपिकल मसाला आइडिया नहीं होता है OTT में. लाइक द नॉक्टर्नल बर्गर दैट यू हैव जस्ट मेंशन. मतलब आई एम नाउ एक्साइटेड टू वॉच इट. वो आइडिया ही नाम से ही मुझे मतलब थोड़ा गूज़बम्स हुआ. नॉक्टर्नल प्रेडेटरी बर्गर. बाय द वे नॉक्टर्नल मतलब प्रेडेटरी नहीं होता, वो रात को जो जागता है उसको बोलते हैं नॉक्टर्नल. तो मेरा ये सोच है और आई थिंक द बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री should have a disruptive mindset now कि थोड़ा shift लाना पड़ेगा in the kind of movies they make. Like if they continue to make movies like, फिर मैं controversy करना नहीं चाहता, like let's say सिकंदर types, तो कब तक sustain करेगा ये चीज़ को? People with the information age that we just passed, अभी मतलब now I will not say कि हम information era में हैं. I will say we are intelligent era में हैं with AI taking over everything. तो people have become intelligent because अभी हमको मशीन के साथ compete करना पड़ रहा है. So when we have become intelligent, so we also want our contents to be intelligent. तो ये मेरा सोच है.
हाँ, I think more or less everyone's in the same boat about this. General public से लेके Bollywood inside मतलब industry insiders को भी everyone thinks the same way because clearly it's not working for anybody. जो भी model से चल रहा है तो something has to change. नहीं तो सब डूब जाएंगे ये ना.
लाइक साउथ मूवी इंडस्ट्री भी जब पहले सेटमैक्स में साउथ मूवीज़ देखता था, मोस्ट ऑफ द मूवीज़ स्पेशली तेलुगु मूवीज़ वो स्टार पावर या एकदम मैसिव एक्शन एंटरटेनर होता था. लेकिन अभी इवन दोज इंडस्ट्रीज दे आर मेकिंग सम सोशली रेलेवेंट मूवीज़, मीनिंगफुल मूवीज़, आई वुड से इंटेलिजेंट मूवी जिसमें थोड़ा डेप्थ हो, जिसमें देख के सोचने पे मजबूर कर दे ऑडियंस को कि भाई ये हुआ था टाइप्स, ना कि यू नो हमको शॉक करते रहे. तो आई थिंक इंडस्ट्रीज धीरे धीरे हो रहा है.
हो रहा है.
Like the Drishyam movie is of course not Telugu movie. Drishyam was a Malayali movie. तो movies of Drishyam short आजकल उसको भी they are making good lot of money these days. क्योंकि people जा रहा है, shift हो रहा है. That's why.
Right, because now I don't like you said, audience is also intelligent. They want a story, they want emotions, they want to get involved in the film. ना कि you're showing pretty people with pretty clothes and just pretty. It just looks visually nice, but nothing else is happening.
वो ज़माना था एक टाइम पे, let's say अभी जैसा मैं बोला, the way I see humanity evolving, we were, let's say, early men. फिर we develop language develop हुआ तो intelligence develop हुआ, because intelligence में आपको coding मतलब logic structure करना पड़ता है, तो logic structure करने के लिए you need language.
Correct.
फिर language से हम communication develop करके we become agriculturist. फिर जब इंडस्ट्रियल एरा में मशीन आया तो जो हाथ से काम करना पड़ता था वो मशीन करना पड़ता है. फिर देन न्यू इंडस्ट्री पीपल, नया ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल आया जो मशीन चलाने आता है. फिर कंप्यूटर्स आया, फिर जो कंप्यूटर्स चलाने आता है, देन इंटरनेट आया. तो इंफॉर्मेशन एज वो था जो कि लास्ट 30 ईयर से चल रहा था. अभी AI आया हुआ है. तो अभी का ग्रुप इंटेलिजेंट ही चाहिए, मतलब इंटेलिजेंस ही हमको सस्टेन कर पाएगा. तो अगर हमको कंटेंट जैसा एज यू सेड, अगर सिर्फ विजुअल अपील के लिए चाहिए तो इट वोंट कनेक्ट, इट वोंट अपील टू अस. एम आई गोइंग राउंड एंड राउंड, एक ही बात कर रहा हूँ क्या मैं?
नहीं, you're right also. सही बात है. Because it's, and also it also has to do, see, film industry and socio-political like the world has always, हमको लगता है it has always influenced the film, the social political whatever crisis जो हो रहा है ना दुनिया में, it has always affected the film industry of whichever country. वो हुआ है. And I think अभी at this point the world is in a stage कि सब एक दूसरे को, they're just ready to kill off each other.
What do you mean?
मतलब there's a lot of wars happening. There's nobody listening there. मतलब there is no, the value of human life has gone way lower than what it used to be there before. Nobody thinks twice before just randomly stabbing someone else. And like you get it, like social क्या बोलते हैं, conscience जो थोड़ा is going on the downhill. So in that situation, when you can see all the violence and everything that's happening around you, and especially with the age of being the age of information where you're getting everything on your news and everything like that, I don't think people want to sit and see just pretty people not really doing anything, just wearing pretty clothes on it. They want something that'll make, that'll make the brain work. Like,
exactly my point. Exactly my point.
Stimulate your brain, stimulate your senses, emotions. I think that's what people want to see also.
You have to raise your level of understanding, awareness, consciousness. If I have to put it this big word, आपको उसको थोड़ा raise करना है. और movies वो हमको कराना है.
Right, and I think it's like, even like if it isn't complete, like a film like Welcome, which is out and out comedy, na, it's still funny. It's still nice. Like it's a very commercial film as well. It's not an independent film, which is done very well. But it's still funny because audience got engaged. They remember the lines from the film. They remember the performances. It was not just pretty people, pretty things coming together. So for me, it's like, doesn't matter the emotion, doesn't matter the thing, na, but it should engage your audience.
And I have been using this word intelligent. Even the movie that you've just mentioned, and in fact, early 2000s, all the comedy movies I have watched, I thought they were very intelligent comedies.
Of course, the writing was brilliant.
Hera Fairy, all the Priyadarshan movies. Hera Fairy bolo, what are the movies? Bhagam Bhag bolo.
Halchal.
Very intelligent humor. तो इंटेलिजेंस तो वहाँ भी दिख रहा है ना, ह्यूमर तो है.
Correct. So it's not, you don't have to, I don't know, just because you're wearing nice clothes doesn't mean you're intelligent. हमको वही लगता है. I mean, I feel like sometimes that's what they try to pass off.
Intelligent means you make people think.
वही.
That's it.
अरे emotion जगह, once
you tease our brain.
Any film that raises an emotion in the audience का heart ना, it's gonna do well, I think. That's the only thing that has been tried and tested, I guess.
Okay, you said that कि you have very humbly called yourself a freelance actor. मैंने आपको बोला you are a professional actor. फिर आपने ये कहा था कि एक प्रोफेशन से जिंदगी नहीं चलता है. You said that, okay? तो that means आप शायद कुछ और भी कर रहे हो या करने की सोच रहे हो, अगर है तो इफ यू आर ओके तो शेयर विथ मी एंड टू माय ऑडियंस एज वेल.
Of course, Abby, sorry. So I got involved with Aturto a few years back, like a year.
MMA.
Yes, the MMA promotion, or jo just homegrown Arunachali MMA promotion. Na? I got involved with that a year and a half ago because I kind of like at that point I knew one of the founders, and I used to go to the gym, and then I liked the community that was being formed in this world, in this field. And then I saw what they tried to do in Sango, which was the first edition. And then I thought I could help them with so many things. Like I could help them with their social media, and then I can help them with a little bit of the planning of the venue and all of that things, because I could see the departments where they were a little lacking and things like that. So I myself went and I offered ki I really don't mind helping. I'll do 1-2 events. Let me see whether I like this work as well, and then we'll talk whether like future mein kya karna hai, aise type se. So I ended up really liking the job. So I'm doing that now. And then
Aturto has just picked up like मतलब massive popularity आया है.
thank
No,
you.
no, I mean उनका जो वीडियो एडिटिंग होता है, जो वीडियो फुटेज दिखाता है ना, it looks international to me, man.
Yes, video edit is thanks to our two fantastic editors, Nyato Mosing and Kamte Ringu. Two really brilliant minds. They have दोनों का बहुत अलग पर्सपेक्टिव है, the way they look at things ना. Editing style थोड़ा एक दोनों का थोड़ा अलग है, but they're still very good.
तोरा बोला वो ये साउथ इंडियन एक्सेंट बोलिए.
तो वही, but yeah, I know everyone's appreciated it. सब लोग बोला है कि about the editing bit and how our videos look amazing.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, because why not? And then live बहुत, we have a lot of huge live audience actually, जो live बहुत सारा देखते हैं. तो we want to make sure that they're seeing nice visuals.
सैंगो में हुआ था, ईटानगर में वाई इंटरनेशनल में हुआ है, जीरो में हुआ है, पासीघाट का
Farmyard?
सी बीच
नहीं
सी नहीं सॉरी रिवर बीच में हुआ था क्या? नहीं,
वो ये होता कोमली घाट में हम लोग फेस ऑफ हुआ था.
ओके.
But the event happened in Farmyard.
Farmyard.
पासीघाट में, and then
नामसाई में हुआ था.
Ultima ground.
And it became international as well with Korean fighter.
Correct, last December.
Korean fighter coming. So see it 2 साल ही हुआ, I think. कितना साल?
2 साल
में
this is the third year.
third year. तो वही success, I think it's a success story. 2 साल में यहाँ तक pick up करना. It is a new industry here, no?
It's a very new industry, and I think for the team also, we are all learning on the job.
In fact, come to think about it, India में भी वो mainstream नहीं हुआ अभी तक MMA.
नहीं, there's only one India में जो mainstream हुआ है, that's MFN.
Okay.
जो Jio Hotstar में
अच्छा.
stream होता है.
अच्छा,
But other than that, there's not really ऐसा बड़ा streaming platform है अभी तक कोई नहीं है. Hopefully, we'll be there soon.
So you are involved in Aturto.
Yes, I'm the production head.
Production head. You have अपना नौकरी अपना आपको दिलवा दिया.
Yes.
Very
दिला दिया. Because I enjoyed working with the boys also. I enjoyed the thrill that this because it happens साल में 3 बार ना. So एक तो being an actor doesn't mean you're always employed ना. Especially in your early years, you're more so unemployed than employed, but you're still an actor. So obviously to keep myself busy also, I got into this.
Very interesting. So, an actor by profession, क्या बोला? A production head in an MMA industry.
I think I was always one of those kids. Like I don't think I could have been happy with doing just one job for the rest of my life. Maybe I'm one of those kids. And if you see, none of these jobs are desk jobs.
Yeah, of course.
It's all me like running around doing.
सही है.
It's something I prefer. Maybe when I reach 45, I want to start making films in Arunachal.
Do you mind asking me will you reach 45 in 10 years, 12 years, 15 years?
A little more than 10 years.
Okay. All right. So, film को छोड़ेंगे नहीं?
No, never. I would like to act till the end of my life.
तो ये जब आतुर तो वो भी तो एक showbiz का ही एक, I won't say showbiz, it's a performing martial arts, not performing arts. तो when you are production head, कभी मन से थोड़ा मन नहीं करता कि कैमरा के सामने आके कुछ or are you there in front of the camera in Naruto?
No, I'm not there in front of the camera. I prefer not to be in front of the camera.
An actor wanting not to be in front of the camera.
Yeah, but because it's well, what's the point? Why? I just want to do my job.
Hmm. if you are given an option
Huh.
to choose a role, serious role करना पसंद करोगे या comedic role करना पसंद करोगे, like dramatic role करना पसंद करोगे, और क्यों?
All. I want to do everything.
ये बहुत बोरिंग जवाब हुआ.
But out of the three, I think serious वाला role में it gets emotionally very taxing और mentally बहुत taxing हो जाता है.
Because आपका जो body of work है, Stranded, Nocturnal Burger, ये सब serious roles है.
Very serious. Yes.
Even Akhoni, I won't say serious, but it was not comedic. But
Correct.
the videos that you make for yourselves, what are comedy videos?
What a
होते हैं?
comedy. So those are the videos that I think like I do it for myself. I thought that sketch was funny, the idea is funny. These are the things that I did. It was very funny. So I know अभी थोड़ा समय हो गया. I haven't put up anything, but now I feel like अभी if I want to show my stories or anything that I wanted, I would rather show it on a bigger screen.
Don't party. Don't play loud rock music. Girls don't bring boys in the room. Boys don't bring girls in the room. No ganja, no drugs, no smelly food. Okay? What? Hashtag OOTD.
Ah, सही है यार. Yeah, सवाल वापस आ गया. I have seen you doing interviews in major news channels. तो how do they approach you? क्या होता है वो पूरा, मतलब BTS क्या है इस चीज का?
Oh, one of the news interviews that I
One
did.
second, are you given the script? Do you already know कि ये सवाल पूछा जाएगा?
नहीं.
Not something like this.
No, it's just
Like this.
They called me and they said इतना बजे पे live जा रहे हैं and they found me a place. They helped me find a place in my house with good lighting and like things like that. And then हाँ कर लिया. Just didn't know what was happening. At that time I was very I'm बहुत dissociate हो गया था during the whole Nocturnal Burger का इसमें ना, because I felt like there was a lot that was happening and I did not expect these things to happen. So they came out of nowhere मेरे लिए. So it took a while for me to understand कि क्या हो रहा है and क्यों. It was first the first question that always came into my mind, like why, like ये क्यों हो रहा है ना, like why is this.
You just won an award. You have made India proud, international award. तो definitely media तो पीछा करेंगे ना.
हाँ, but you don't like see these are the things तुम सोचता है कि पर okay someday ना ऐसा करके, but when it actually happens to you then you're like
नम होता है.
थोड़ा सा नम होता है, थोड़ा ओकरा हो जाता है. That's the perfect word लेकिन ना.
तो that's what I wanted to know your state of mind. तो थोड़ा ओकरा हो जाता है.
हाँ थोड़ा सा, and then I'm like okay ठीक है, जो होगा देखा जाएगा, just do it.
नर्वस होता है. ओकरा होना अलग थिंग है, नर्वस होना अलग थिंग है.
Nervous तो obviously होता है because I know I can ramble on also and sometimes I say things before I think also, so that also happens. So
ये प्रोसेसर अपना प्रोसेस करते रहे, यहाँ से निकल जाता है.
हाँ, जब तक प्रोसेस हो रहा है यहाँ से निकल ही जाता है. I'm like okay, the mind has to catch on with the mouth, ऐसे टाइप से हो जाता है कभी.
सुनका मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया आपके साथ डिस्कशन वार्तालाप करने के लिए. आपको भी अच्छा लगा, आपने बोला, और आपने बोला कि आपका ही फ़ायदा है तो उसमें मेरा भी फ़ायदा है. तो आई होप वी सी each other quite often here.
Sure.
One of the reasons I'm saying this because I don't get too many speakers as guests. मैं बहुत लोग अप्रोच किया था कि प्लीज़ कम टू NBT. मुझे बहुत लोग ने रिजेक्ट किया कि नहीं आएंगे बोल के. तो शायद और भी मुझे रिजेक्शन मिले. तो I'll have to have somebody with whom I can speak. And with the kind of discussion we had, I'm sure that we will, I mean, our discussion may not limit to only, movie industry or films. We can talk many things beyond these things. The point of this entire NBD thing is to, intellectually wrestle with each other. ताकि जो देखेंगे, जो ऑडियंस होगा, उनको कुछ वैल्यू मिले. Whatever the discussion is, कुछ तो मिले. लेट्स से नॉट एंटरटेनमेंट लेकिन
informative.
इन्फॉर्मेशन, हाँ इन्फॉर्मेशन देना है, डेटा देना है, इन्फॉर्मेशन देना है, लेकिन कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट्स बोलो या पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज या पर्सपेक्टिव या लेट मी पुट इन अ बिग ब्रैकेट ऑफ वैल्यू मिले कुछ,
ठीक है.
तो
Okay.
मुझे लगता है आपका साथ डिस्कस करने से वो चीज़ निकलेगा.
Sure, why not? Why not? I enjoyed the talk today. It was fun.
थैंक यू.
मजा लगा.
So I think
ठीक
we
है.
can call it a wrap.
We can call it a wrap, na?
ठीक है, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers to NVD.
Cheers, NVT. Thank you.
Yell at the camera. Married, nobody does this. I belong to this beautiful little village called Zero, and